They're going to be ready for their meal.
Easter, Easter.
Where else should they look, Mimi?
Well, you know, they're doing okay.
Where else should we
The
Look
Virgin
along
Mary
the edges.
hiding
Along the edge.
Yeah, look by the Blessed Virgin.
Is she going to stay?
I
You like her?
Keep looking. Keep looking.
I
Keep
found
looking.
one.
Nice.
I found
That
another
way,
one.
Willie.
Hey,
That
Willie.
way.
Willie.
I found another blue one.
Yoo-hoo! Oh, hey, Willie.
Yeah.
I think there's more over there.
I found Where should I look, Mimi?
Under this tree here.
This one.
The little black tree.
Well, no, that's not well.
Not that tree, the other tree.
This one.
Yeah.
Everybody,
Look down.
look, I found another one.
You did! Excellent!
Another one.
Oh, good.
Good for you. Keep looking.
Getting heavier.
It is, isn't it?
Keep looking.
Keep your eyes open. There's none in there, Willie. How about in the forsythia?
I found another one.
Woohoo!
Wow.
Willie.
I'm gonna find another
Willie,
one.
look in the
Well,
forsythia.
that is getting heavy. Good job. Is that all of them?
I found another blue one.
That's great.
I think there's another one over in that corner over there
Did
somewhere.
anybody find one by the
I
statue?
found another one.
Woohoo!
Which statue?
Over there, that white one.
I did.
You got it.
I found another yellow one.
Oh, beautiful colors. Yeah.
Got two yellow ones. Any more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two more.
There's another color.
Oh, you're almost stepping